and Body Works semi-annual sale. Let's go. Okay, guys, so I went to 3 stores, did a lot of shopping. The sale is taking place right up until Sunday the 16th. So you still have a little bit. I would absolutely recommend, if you have outlet malls near you, that is where to go, because they're really pulling out all the stops to bring out stuff that's really unique and cool at a rock bottom price. I'm absolutely looking for items that are 75% off to get the most value for my money, and I'm going to show you that here in a quick second. Now, if you're not really great with the mathematics, and hey, I get you, here is a quick little price board. Grab a screenshot of this so you can see the very big savings that you can get shopping at Bath and Body Works at this sale. Like, OMG, 13 cents on a 50-cent product? Yes. And obviously, when you go to the outlets, you're looking for near the cash register. They have a lot of little products very, very cheap, like $2 for these sprays. OMG, yes. Right at the front, there's always candles. They had Halloween candles, and even at 75% off with no coupons, it was like $3.11 for a candle that's almost $15. Wow, like that is some tremendous value if you love candles. And I had 2 home mailers that I utilized. You have to get on a mailing list for this. The more you buy, the more coupons you get, but like a 10 off of 40. And as you can see, till the 16th, thus that's the end date for the sale. Now, if you want some more tips and tricks on how to really maximize your money using IBOTTA or Fetch gift cards, and basically what to look for at these sales, please check out this video linked in the notes and at the very end for the Bath & Body Works semi-annual sale. I've been doing this sale longer than I've been couponing. There's tons of great information. I have a real passion for this too, so check this video out. Menu, and I do apologize about the lateness of this video. It is my Bath & Body Works semi-annual haul. And I think this sale is taking place right until the 16th of January. So if you see stuff that you like, it might give you an opportunity to get out to the store and get the exact same items, such as myself, cat not included. Okay, so we're just gonna coast through this really quickly. And I did go to one outlet store, and basically at the outlet store, that's where I hit the big bonanza. But some of this holiday stuff, you know, I really wanted, so we're just gonna go through it. So the first thing that I got were these soap dispensers, which are so stinking cute. Check it out. Soap in there. And I think with this, I mean, maybe you guys can correct me, but I think you could leave that out for pretty much most of the winter. It's so, so cute. So this little snowman was $12.48. It was 50% off. It was not 75%. I wish it was, but it was not. Now in the same family, we have this glass one, which holds a single wick candle. Look how adorable that is. And that was $13.19. Again, 50% off. They also had a pedestal for the 3-wick candles. However, the pedestal for the snowman was really, really tall, like twice the height of this. And I have a lot of cats that jump up on counters, and I thought that item, just because how tall it is and the shapeliness of it, it was like, you know, probably up to here. It was beautiful, but I thought one of the cats would tip it over. So I thought this would be a better value, which is this little wire thing. And this is the first one I've ever bought. And it has these cute little lights. And when you light it up at nighttime, it fits a 3-wick candle beautifully. It actually glows these little lights, which I thought was super, super cute. And this was $6.48. So I got one. So I have one for the single wick, I have this, and then these 2. Why did I buy 2 of them? I have a mother-in-law who's also a Bath & Body Works addict. So I thought, you know, next Christmas, I'm just gonna tuck this away and then gift that to her. She would be so happy. And this is so adorable, like so stinking cute. So those were the Christmas items that I purchased. One thing I was looking for were Bath & Body Works gift bags, and I didn't find a single one. And I visited like 3 different stores, not a single one to be found. And I was asking the girls there on the floor, I'm like, is there any bags? And they're like, what? They were very confused with what I was asking. But you know, sometimes they have those bags for $3.95 that you could put items in. I like to gift stuff in those, but I couldn't find a single one. So I will have to get creative with something else in the new year. This was easily my favorite find, which were these Halloween candles. And I found this at the outlet, and it came in 2 different scents. One of them is Wicked Apple and then Pumpkin Carving. And we're gonna go through the scent notes for both. If it's even, I don't even think it's here. Or is it on the back? made with essential oils, with magic. So these are the single wick candles. Usually the triple or the 3 wicks have everything, but I'm not seeing it here. It basically smells like pumpkin. You know, they have 100 different pumpkin candles. I think I got like 10 of these all together, and they were $2.75 each. I did have a 10 off of 40 mailer. I had 2 of them to use with the sale, and I think I paid like $80 for everything, so I really got a tremendous value. And use your IBOTTA and Fetch Rewards gift cards. So this was like a pumpkin one. And then the apple one is actually really, really pleasant, and it has a bit of a holographic look to it. And if I wish, I have the receipt. I could always trade these in, say around Valentine's Day or Easter, get some more candles if I don't like these, but they are so stinking cute. You guys ever look at the Wallflowers? They always have candles that you could smell because you can't like really open a wallflower in the store. And these were the sample ones, and I got them also at 75% off, and this was in a regular store. This was at an outlet, guys. And so these were $2.75 with my 10 off of 40. And I got wild honey, wild lavender mint, and spiced cranberry toffee, all like yummy smelling candles. And they had these right at the front. If you want to ask the employees where the 75% merch is, sometimes they will lead you to them, and then you can decide, okay, do I want candles? Do I want, you know, air care? What am I looking for? And then what is the best bargain? I just love the 75% off. Obviously, this other stuff at 50%, it's because I'm a sucker for their cute designs. But like this sort of stuff, oh my gosh, to pay $2.75, it's completely what it's about. Now, the last item that I got with the semi-annual sale is Girlfriend. I only found one. I think I was a day too late to find it, but it's a 3-wick Halloween candle. It just smells very girly and foo-foo, and this guy was $4.67 with the 10 off of 40 and the 75% off this specific candle. And the scent notes for Girlfriend is dark strawberries, ghostly peony, spice chilling citrus with natural essential oils, and $24.50, so it's an extra, like it's $1 less than what they're charging right now for candles. But yeah, I mean, this one I could easily, you know, gift, or I could even trade it at a future time for a different candle if I wish. Now, when I was at the store, because I did go to an outlet, and I wasn't really impressed with what the store that I was visiting earlier in the week, so I wanted to trade 3 candles that I got for Candle Day. I'm going to give you guys a little story time here. I know that on TikTok, there's a bunch of people who are always like, you know, just go to Bath & Body Works with your empties and get whatever you want. And they do have a very good trade-in policy if you burn a candle that you don't like. But I think if you burn a candle and there's like, you know, 2 wicks in the bottom, I think they should have the right to say no, but most stores, they'll let you do exchanges. Now, I went to an outlet where I knew I could find a lot of candles that I'm looking for, because the stores I was visiting, they just didn't have a lot of like selection. Now, I had 3 Christmas candles from Candle Day, so these are the 3 that I picked out. And when I got to the front, the male cashier was like, oh, you want to trade these? And he thought I didn't have a receipt, and he kind of threw me some attitude, and I'm like, that's kind of strange. I'm like, here's the receipt. And he's like, oh, didn't give me any problem after that. But initially, because I think they deal with so many returns, keep your receipts, guys. It's going to be a lot easier, because it was almost this thing of, oh, well, here we go. And then he was very, very nice. So I didn't have a problem with these. And the ones that I got for an exchange is banana bundt cake. And I like anything with baking notes. And let's do a bit of a focus here. We have sweet bananas, toasted walnut, fresh cinnamon, and natural essential oils. $26.50. My goodness, I was wrong. It's jumped up quite a bit for these candles. This one I got, which I thought was really, really nice. I got this on Candle Day, and I got another one, which is pineapple pound cake. And the scent notes for this one, if it'll ever focus, include fresh pineapple, sweet vanilla, pound cake, sprinkled with powdered sugar with essential oils. $24.50. And it's so stinking cute. This one's a winner. This one's a winner. The last one, if I ever have, you know, a birthday coming up, I thought this would be an excellent one. And look, I got scratch marks on it already. So whomever gets this, they'll know it's from me, because it looks like a mess. And this one is also $26.50. And the scent notes for this one are rainbow sprinkles, whipped vanilla frosting, fluffy cake with natural essential oils. This candle specifically is getting really rave reviews by candle reviewers here. TikTok, whatever. So I was really excited. And it smells a lot like, there was one called, I think like tea cake or something like that a couple years ago. It smells a lot like that one. And this one I really enjoy as well as the banana bun cake. Anything with banana is a winner with me. Okay guys, that's it for this video. And if you want to check out the video I made all about Candle Day and like tips and tricks, I will link it at the very end and in the notes. Very informative video. I think a lot of you will enjoy it. Good luck finding these candles and different items, 75% off. Totally the way to go. And this sale is again going on until the 16th of January. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Candle, like you could, I can't even talk. Such a great video today. Okay, they also had a snowman for a 3-wick, like a little pedestal for a 3-wick. It's really nice when it takes you 17 hours to come out with what you're saying.